Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So ADA did drop today all the way to the bottom of the support area here. This could still be at this stage the B wave low or the wave 2. That doesn't really make a difference in the very short term. Highlighted the different options to you in the previous videos. And yeah, so far we have maxed out the support level. Important to understand, if it drops below 36.1 cent, it is probably going to drop quite a bit lower, and we would then be talking about the next support area here around 34.7 cents. At the moment we are holding support. I'm not necessarily convinced that it will definitely hold. You never know for sure, especially as we are quite a bit in risk off mode at the moment in the crypto market, but still, there's a decent probability that it's turning around here. And if it doesn't, at least, it's a good reward to risk ratio, because in the end, you can define your stop loss quite tight, and the reward, this should go at least, if it goes up from here and turns around, it should go at least to 42 cents in my opinion. Yeah. Maybe even 44. But again, we don't know that yet. It's way too early. It shows a little bit of a buy reaction down there. What Bitcoin is doing as well, yeah, shows also a little bit of a buy reaction. Ethereum as well, but it's too early to say if we have hit a major trend reversal point. Nevertheless, this is a point where it can turn around at the 78.6 retracement. In the end, it is where it needs to turn around, because if it doesn't, then we are going to lose this scenario. Yeah, I would then not count it anymore as an A wave up, a B wave down, and a possible C wave to come that can be traded. No, we will then morph into the scenario where the B wave top, yeah, so at the moment I'm considering the option that within this larger wave 2, after we completed the wave 1 here back in February, early February, at around 41.5 cents, we considered the idea that we came down here only in the A wave of the wave 2, the first wave of the correction. We moved up in a B wave, and we would now come down in a C wave. So this is still my view. The thing is only, again, if you then look into this scenario in more detail, there are obviously a few ways to get there. So the B wave could have already been made here at around 42 cents a week ago. Or, and that's the other option, this ABC pattern highlighted here in orange could lead to a higher B wave, so that the B wave actually is going to sit here just a little bit higher. So we do something like this, A, B, C in B, and then come down. So that's where this support area is going to give us a clue. So either it holds the support area here, yeah, and will move up in what I think could be a C wave within a larger B wave, and we then come down afterwards, after hitting resistance up here, which I will probably give you in one of the next videos. We talk about sort of the 42 to 44 cent area. Or it will drop below the support area, and if it does that, then we probably have this scenario, A wave down, B wave up, and we're now coming down in the C wave. But then we should still expect some sort of a reaction to this area where we found support before here as well. Yeah, it's quite a relevant area, and we had an area of trade here and resistance here. So it's this is actually the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement that is at 34.6 cents, 34, no, 1 second, I'm gonna put it on the screen actually. But these are the two scenarios. So it's all about this support area. Does it hold or not? And I'm going to add it here to the support area. Here, 34.7 cents. This is a very relevant fib level. I don't think it will be sufficient in terms of a correction for the wave 2 here, but we could see a temporary bounce as we saw it here as well. Yeah, but eventually in a wave 2, I would expect the price to head here into the support area between 32.65 or 20 and 27.65. So what is going to be certainly very interesting is now to see, do we hold this support line, this thin line? Yeah, and if we do, then we can reach those sort of 42, 44 cents. And if it falls below that, expect some sort of a reaction here to the 34.7 cent level. But then eventually it should come down into this larger wave 2 support area, which is then eventually the next, let's call it high probability entry point. Because then we had this wave 1 rally, A, B, C, yeah, and then here it can turn around for a wave 3 rally. These are the key scenarios I'm seeing at the moment. I mean, this is really at the make or break point here at the moment. Pulled back very deep into support. And it now attempts a small rally, but it depends to a degree also on Bitcoin. Can Bitcoin now break above the resistance here? It sort of gets stuck at the moment. Ethereum as well, you know, can it continue to rally? It already gets rejected. It's Friday evening, at least here in the UK, you know, heading into the weekend. We will have less volume there. I'm not sure. At the moment, this is only a 3-wave move up for ETH. It's looking very weird for Bitcoin. And ADA is, yeah, holding for now, but let's see. Let's see. It's not enough price information yet. At least we made it above the last high, but that doesn't necessarily mean much. Next target for the bulls would be to break above the 38.5 cent level. Yeah, and that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.